What is the value of terminal voltage? Whereas the circuit is shown in a diagram. It's known that the terminal voltage can be calculated using a formula E minus IR, whereas E is representing the value of EMF from the battery, which is given as 10 volt in the question. Whereas I is representing the value of current through the circuit, but there is no detail about the current through the circuit, so we have to calculate that. Whereas R is representing the value of internal resistance, which is given as 1 ohm in the question. So first we can calculate the value of current. It's known that the current can be calculated using a formula of ohms, which is nothing but I is equal V divided by R total. Whereas V is representing the voltage from the battery, which is given as 10 volt. Whereas R total is nothing but the total amount of resistance in the circuit. When we are checking the circuit, there is a resistance which is having a resistance of 4 ohm and there is an internal resistance of 1 ohm. So the total resistance will be equal to R plus R internal resistance plus the resistance from the external resistance. So here we can write 4 plus 1 is equal 5. That will be the R total. So when we are applying here, we will get the value of current as 2 ampere. Now we have a value of current, internal resistance and EMF. So the terminal voltage will be equal to 10 minus 2 times 1. When we are simplifying this, we can write 10 minus 2, which will be equal to 8 volt. So the correct answer for the question is option A here.